Saturday morning. I was going to do steering today. I was going to put, well, pretty much replace everything. Inner, outer tie rod, center link, drag link, adjusters. I'm not going to use the crimp type, whatever it is. Fan shroud for when the radiator gets here. That was the plan, but I sent an email to American Powertrain and they said my transmission will ship out on Wednesday. They're doing the machining on it now. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to pull the transmission and get it all ready. Get the front seat out, get the carpet out, probably clean the floor, put some sound deadener in it. We'll see how far that goes. Headers are going to get pulled, spark plugs, all kinds of stuff. So let's get this started up, turned around, up on jack stands, and then start to work. Ooh, it's all dusty. Well, whatever. So there's what's going on. Headers are going to come off because just because I'm going to change them out and then have to clearance the bell housing, or I forgot what you call that, but anyway. So I'm going to get the music on, get this thing up in the air, and start taking it apart. And I'll bring you back when I get more progress. Quick update. Let's see. Anybody need a transmission? Couldn't get the bolts loose, so I had to use the plasma. Didn't hurt the flex plate though. What else? Headers are on. The new Hetmans. That side's on. This side's on. So we had to actually disconnect the steering arm and raise the engine up for that side. And this side went right on. So these are Hetman Elites. 3/8 flanges, 1 5/8 tubes, 3-inch collectors. So they seem to fit really well. And as far as the floor, front seats out. You can see some daylight down there. There's some holes. There's a few, just not hardly any. There's also one right there. And you got bolt holes. I think there's another one over here somewhere. But anyway. Dirty. I'm going to vacuum it up. Weld up those holes tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. What else? Clutch pedal. It's there. Underneath. Let's see underneath. How do we get underneath? Here we go. So there's exhaust. Headers. That's where I'm at. Those are the pipes that were on it. Yep, no more. Sacrificial lambs. 2 of them. Trying to get the bolts off the torque converter. Anyway, that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. And get some of that welding done. Okay, here's where I'm at so far. Sunday. Got these. Oh, and then those I gotta get to. There's one in the corner, as you can see, if it focuses. Oh, there we go. Work on that. To our mat. I'm going to spray that down with some rust corrosion preventer and bring you back when I have more. Alright, I think that's it for today. I'm pretty tired. Here's the steering. That's the new one. Maybe next weekend I'll put that on. I did show you the headers, right? Probably. Get rid of the old ones. What did I do? I patched the holes in the floor, and that's pretty much about it. I sprayed the rust corrosive stuff on it, as you can see. Supposed to encapsulate it, and then pretty much ready for paint. So instead of wire wheeling the whole roof, which honestly don't really feel like doing, I'll spray this stuff everywhere. You can already see it's turning black. That was pretty much a whole bottle. And then I have sound deadener. I'll put the sound deadener all over everything, and then yep, it's a hot mess. But you know, it's like anything, a little at a time. Alright guys, until next time, probably next Sunday, Saturday, maybe even. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, probably steering. So I got to pull the front wheels off and I really don't feel like doing that. Alright, see ya.